Hello there, welcome to the October 2020 paper. Here we're looking at question 3. Given that 2 log 4 minus x equals log x plus 8, show that x squared minus 9x plus 8 equals 0. Now what you might be thinking here is log to the base of what? Well, in this question here, it actually doesn't matter what the base of the log is. It could be log base 10, and generally in A-level maths, if it's not got a base and it says log, it's referring to log base 10. It could be log base e, it could be log base 2, it could be log base anything. So the base of the logarithm isn't actually important for this question. What is important for this question is to get the ball rolling and to get starting to think about getting rid of logs on both sides. You need to incorporate the 2 into the brackets before you start thinking about cancelling out logs. So that's what we'll do first. Log of 4 minus x, and that's all going to be squared, equals log x plus 8. And now you can cancel out logs on both sides because the inside of this logarithm must be the same as the inside of this logarithm. So it's going to be 4 minus x squared equals x plus 8. Let's expand the brackets now, so it's going to be 16 minus 8x plus x squared equals x plus 8. Let's now move everything onto the left-hand side, so x squared minus another x, that'll be minus 9x, and then minus 8 onto the other side, so that'll now be plus 8 equals 0. So there we are, that's the answer for this question here. The key bit to this one was moving the 2 inside the logarithm as a power. Let's move on to part B then. Part B, write down the roots of the equation x squared minus 9x plus 8. Well, the way we do this is we factorise it. X minus 8, x minus 1 equals 0. So therefore x equals 8 and x equals 1. So those are our 2 roots there. State which of these roots in part B is not a solution of the equation, giving a reason for your answer. Well, the reason for this answer is going to refer to the fact you're not allowed to log any kind of negative value. This is a diagram of the log graph, and you can see here there's actually no inputs on the left hand side because you can't actually log a negative number. So we've got 2 answers here, 8 and 1. So if we look at this part of the question here, log 4 minus x, x equals 8 is not a solution because when you do 4 minus 8 you get a negative number, so effectively we could say that's log 4 minus 8. You can't log a negative number, so we could say here does not exist. So the only answer to this question here is x equals 1. So state which of your roots is not a solution. So x equals 8 is not a solution. So there we are, that's the answer for question 3. That's worth 5 marks in total here. Let's move on to question 4.